Welcome to another video. All right, let's solve this equation together. We have 3x plus 2 on x equals to -7. All right, let's get started. Okay. All right, now let's dissolve this x here by multiplying through by x. So I'll multiply this side by x, this side by x, and this side by x. So I'll get 3x squared. So this side times x will get rid of the x, left with 2. So we have minus x. So let's arrange it. This one is a quadratic equation. 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 equals to 0. So you can use any of the methods of solving a quadratic equation. So let's look at the factorization method. So I'll multiply the coefficient here by the constant. That will be 6. So I'll find two numbers. When I multiply them, I'll get 6. But when I add, I'll get 7 here. We know 6 times 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 3x squared plus 6x plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So let's go ahead and take 3x out here. X plus 2. So we have plus 1 x plus 2 equal to 0. All right, so let's take this one out. 3x plus 1. And we have what is inside the bracket, x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have two answers. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And x plus 2 equals to 0. So we have x equals to -2. And we have 3x equals -1. X is -1 on 3. So we have two answers. All right.